In today's video, here is a nice problem that was she just reviewed. Here is the following information. Determine n such that we have this following equation: x cubed minus x squared minus nx plus n equals 0 is the one equal root for all n as a natural number. What do I mean with one equal root? So it's meaning we have this function or polynomial is accepting only one shared root. Okay, let's go through this one. Let's put this one on the form of the function or polynomial f of x cubed minus x squared minus nx plus n equals 0. Okay, they give us this equation equals 0. So we have n and x are unknown variables here. What's the value of n as a natural number? Make this polynomial accepting only one root. Okay, so let's go through this one, factor out this one. So I have f of x. I'm going to take x squared as a common factor. X squared is multiplied by x minus number 1. Also, I'm going to take minus n as a common factor for the second term, which is x minus number 1 equals 0. So I get x minus now number 1 as a common multiplier here. So f of x equals x minus number 1 factor x squared minus n equals 0. Okay, so since we get to this expression, you get the product equals 0. Okay, which means you can get this product if this one equals 0. This one is not equal to 0, you still have 0 here. Okay, also in opposite way, if this one is different than 0 and this one equals 0, this means you still have a 0 here. Okay, but if this one equals to 0, which means x squared equals n is the root of this function. Okay, x minus 1 equals 0, which means x equals 1 is the root of this function as well. So let's try this one. Let's start in with this one, with number 1. If f of 1, plug in this one into the previous function, I get here 1 minus n plus n. This one is strictly giving us 0, which means 1 is a root of this one. In the other word, x minus number 1 equals 0. Okay, then this one is telling us x equals 1. Let's check with this one also. X equals 2. If I'm going to replace n with x squared, and we find the entire function equals 0, which means this one must be a root of this polynomial as well. Okay, let's go through this one. Plug in this one into the function. I get here x cubed minus x squared, replacing n with x squared, which is minus x cubed plus x squared. This one, cancelling this one with this one, this one with this one, is giving us 0, which means this one equals to 0. Since we get x squared equals n, as we found here, so this one is telling us x equals plus square root of n or minus square root of n. Okay, if x is positive, we get a positive number. If x is negative, we get a negative number. Okay, since x is a positive, because we found x equals 1, we are going to take only the positive value. Okay, this one is telling us x equals 1 equals square root of n. Okay, squaring both sides, I get 1 squared equals 1 equals n. Okay, now I found the value of n equals 1. This is the right value of n, which makes this polynomial has only one root. Okay, so n equals 1 is the only condition which makes this polynomial accepting only one root, which is x equals 1. Okay, I have ended this video. By the way, don't forget to support us with a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you next video. Bye.